Corporation. The corporation has since been set up and has done good work, but there is a long way to go. We have set an ambitious target of skilling 5 crore people in the 12th plan period, including 9 million in 2013-14. We have to pull out all stops to achieve this objective. Funds will be released by the National Rural Livelihood Mission and the National Urban Livelihood Mission to be spent on skill development activities. 5% of the Border Area Development Programme Fund, 10% of the Special Central Assistance to the Scheduled Caste Subplan and the Tribal Subplan, and some other funds will also be used for skill development. I propose to increase the allocation for defence to 2,03,672 crore. This will include
रक्षा के क्षेत्र में वित्त मंत्री ने अधिक राशि निर्धारित की है।
And I assure him and the House that constraints will not come in the way of providing any additional requirement for the security of the nation.
यद्यपि जो रक्षा के माध्यम के लिए अस्त्र शस्त्र महंगे हैं, किंतु मैं पूरे सदन को और सदन के माध्यम से देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि कोई भी राशि हमारे लिए बड़ी नहीं है जब देश की सुरक्षा का प्रश्न उठता है।
And rupees 5,880 crore to the Department of Atomic Energy. Honourable members will be happy to know that these amounts are
एटॉमिक एनर्जी विभाग को भी और राशि दी गई है।
Virtues of science and technology. I think we do not pay enough attention to science and technology for the common man.
साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की हम सराहना तो बहुत करते हैं, किंतु आम आदमी तक इस उपलब्धि को ले जाने की तरफ हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया।
I propose to set apart rupees 200 crore to fund organizations that will scale up and make these products available to the people.
मैंने प्रस्ताव किया है कि 200 करोड़ रुपए की राशि इसलिए निर्धारित की जाए कि एटॉमिक एनर्जी के लाभ और आम आदमी के बीच जो खाई है उसे पाटी जा सके।
Each to 1. Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh campus. 2. Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. 3. Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Guwahati campus. 4. Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, known as INTAC. Sports of all kinds deserve our support. We have many sportsmen and sportswomen.
विश्वविद्यालयों में हिंदू विश्वविद्यालय वाराणसी, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय, टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट गुवाहाटी आदि को राशि दी गई है ताकि उनमें जो और भी नई योजनाएं का कार्यान्वयन होना है वो किया जा सके।
294 more cities. About 839 new FM radio channels will be auctioned in 2013-14, and after the auction, all cities
839 से अधिक FM चैनल की नीलामी की जाएगी ताकि और लोग इस क्षेत्र में आएं और आगे बढ़ाएं।
Was started in the current year with a modest allocation of rupees 50 crore. Keeping in view the importance of building capacity in Panchayat Raj institutions, I had allocated rupees 455 crore to the Ministry of Panchayat Raj in 2013-14. I now propose to provide an additional 200 crore, making it rupees 655 crore. Government has an ambitious IT-driven project to modernize the postal network at a cost of rupees 4,000.
डाक विभाग के आधुनिकीकरण के लिए भारत सरकार की नई योजना है।
Real-time banking services. I propose to provide rupees 532 crore for the project in 2013-14.
532 करोड़ रुपए निर्धारित किए गए हैं ताकि
मेमोरियल इन सैन फ्रांसिस्को into a museum
पोस्ट ऑफिस को और सुधारा जाए।
about the proliferation of centrally sponsored schemes and additional central assistance schemes. There were 173 in number at the end of the 11th plan. I am glad to announce that the schemes will be restructured into only 70 schemes. Each scheme will be reviewed once in 2 years. Central funds for the scheme will be given to the states as part of central plan assistance. Honourable members will be glad to know that in 2013-14, I expect to transfer resources to the tune of rupees 5,87,082 crore to the states and union territories under share of taxes, non-plan grants and loans and central assistance.